checking in at the airport. Airline agent, good morning. Where are you flying today? Passenger, I'm flying to Chicago. Airline agent, great. May I see your passport, please? Passenger, sure, here it is. Airline agent, thank you. Do you have your boarding pass? Passenger, yes, I have it on my phone. Airline agent, perfect. Have you reserved a seat on the plane? Passenger, yes, I have. Airline agent, do you have any baggage to check in? Passenger, yes, I have one large bag. Airline agent, please place that bag on the scale. Passenger, here you go. Airline agent, that bag is okay and is not overweight. Do you have carry-on baggage? Passenger, yes, I have one small bag. Airline agent, do you have any stopovers or are you on a direct flight? Passenger, it's a direct flight. Airline agent, wonderful. Your flight leaves from gate 20A. The plane begins boarding at 2:20. Your seat number is 19B. Passenger, thank you very much. Airline agent, you're welcome. Have a safe flight.